Best Block Blast Tips and Tricks. I'm going to give you the best tips and tricks to improve your game in Block Blast and get higher scores. First, plan your moves ahead. Don't just place blocks randomly. Think about how they fit together to clear multiple rows or columns at once. The more lines you clear in a single move, the higher your score. Next, keep the board open. Avoid filling up the middle too quickly. Leave space for larger blocks, especially the 3x3 squares, so you don't run out of moves. Always prioritize clearing rows and columns over just placing blocks. Look for ways to trigger chain reaction to rack up extra points. If you get stuck, use the undo or reshuffle option if available. Some versions of Block Blast offer limited retries. Save them for critical moments. Finally, don't rush. Take your time to analyze the best placement for each piece. Rushing can lead to bad placements that end the game early.